rollback. Oh, it's muddy. Did the rest of them get out? Yep, nope. Alright guys, this morning going on a little recovery mission. So one of my buddies, Muley Photos, he's got Toyota problems again, front tires falling off. So I think we can get away with just the rollback. It's up on the buckskin. The roads are pretty good. We're gonna take the rollback. Probably gonna regret our decisions, but we're gonna take it. Probably gonna trim some trees, might lose a mirror, but I don't wanna drive the tow truck that far. I don't wanna load the tow truck. Basically, I'm being lazy right now, and I may regret my decisions, but let's go get the rollback. It's down to the cars, and then we'll go for it. All right, we're down to the cars. Jace has been organizing down here, so let's see if the old rollback will fire. We usually got to give her 2 or 3 good glow plug cycles. Yeah, Jason's done a pretty good job getting my stuff organized, so we got a little more to go, and then we'll be cleaned up down here. She's alive, so we'll cruise. Hey guys, only thing left to do, put the Raycons in, turn the book on, because yeah, the stereo that's in this, it doesn't work. So this is the best thing we've got going right now. I'm listening to some Jack Carr right now. He's a bad dude. Alright guys, I got old Muley Photos to send me a pin on Onx. We're currently tracking him. We're gonna drive right to him, so says we got 29 minutes to be at his position, so Onx is handy. Alright, Onx is telling me I need to turn here, so. Alright, I've been on this road a few times. It's a little rough, a little bumpy. I'm not going to be able to film a whole lot because I'm trying to drive this hog, but we'll get there. It says I'm roughly 3 miles from him on this dirt road. So, it's a pretty good dirt road. That's why I decided I would bring the rollback, because I know it. He's at a water guzzler up here taking pictures. I'm not sure what happened exactly, but we'll go figure it out. We're rock crawling the rollback. Probably not the road this truck was meant to be on, but here we are killing it. Alright, my Onx is telling me in 0.3 miles I gotta hang a right. I think it's right here. We turn. Probably where it's gonna get a little tight in this truck. But we'll make it. Let's see if this is right. Yeah, I found you.
I didn't think you needed this big old thing.
Probably not, but just in case. You never know.
No, you don't need this.
Yeah. Alright, got Toyota problems. Oh yeah, top ball joint. It's not hooked up anymore. So, we did bring the right truck. We'll load this thing and get out of here.
Well, the old Forerunner had a ball joint crap out on me. Got Mr. Fab Rats out here to save me.
Morning run.
Glad I had cell service.
All right, locked and loaded. We'll get out of here. Onx didn't let us down again. Came right to where we could pick this thing up easy. So if you guys don't have Onx and you want to get it, use code fabrats-20 to save yourself some money. All right, we got Jeremy delivered to the parts place where they're gonna get fixed, or the mechanic shop, I mean. And I'm out of here, back home on a Sunday morning. So hey, if you guys are interested in deer pictures, Muley Photos. That's what Jeremy does on Instagram. You can't beat his deer pictures, so go check him out. Jump on Instagram. He's got some pictures of some awesome animals on there. It's not hunting, it's pictures of animals. So if you like wildlife, Muley Photos, go check it out. All right, just got home from that adventure. starting another one. I'm gonna run to Penguich now and pick up the transmission for the Monte Carlo. So Ross, the Tip Top Transmission, is gonna meet me there with it. And then Monday we'll get started on building the motor and see if we can't get it poked in that car. So here we go. All right, Ross just got here. Look at that, you got parts.
You got stuff for the Monte.
Look at that.
Brand new nice 4L60E for you.
Now we can get the Monte put together, make that thing run. So let me, all right, Monte Trans is loaded. We're out of here. That gets us a step closer to putting the Monte back together to build a motor for it. Made all this stuff together so we can make it run. So Tip Top Transmission coming through big for gifts for Grady. Those guys hooked us up with a sweet transmission that's gonna make this car pretty dang nice to rip down the road in. So back home and back to work. All right guys, Chris Eve, training. We're in the Toyota. We're headed out to get a stuck car in the mud. Supposedly there's one stuck car and two more behind it that think they can get out once we move that one. So probably going after 3 cars. So here we go. I think I got a bunch of boys going with me. We'll see who shows up. All right, I got Jason and Ivan with me. We'll go out and see if we can get these cars out and get back home for some good Christmas dinner. Yes, sir. It's gonna be muddy out there. I put my rubber boots on.
I put my not so good boots on.
My good idea. All right, she's muddy. I'm gonna turn the hubs in. Oh, they're stuck.
That's a Kia.
Yep, that's the one we're looking for.
Probably just pulling back that way.
We'll figure it out
Yep,
here.
definitely them.
We found you.
Oh, it's muddy.
Did the rest of them get out?
Yeah.
There was more people, but they got out.
Yeah. They're all in the four-wheel drive. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Should we turn it around or you can do it by?
We'll do it for you.
Yeah. We just stay in the car.
Can you get in the back of it? We can
Yeah.
drive. Yep, that'll work. That'll work fine.
Yeah.
Just one of you, just the driver.
Yeah.
This mud's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, Jace, I'll back up. See if you can get it to turn around right here,
Okay.
and then we'll drag you to the top.
Sorry.
I'll back up out of your way. What's odds you giving him to back out of there? It might.
Maybe.
I mean, it seems a little solid, right?
No.
Well,
Just front wheel.
yeah.
Where you guys headed?
No, actually, we finished the trail.
Oh, you?
We're heading back. 'Cause
Okay.
When we arrive in the morning, it was not raining.
Yeah.
We go.
Straight and then turn it. That's what I was afraid of. Get her a little run on it. There you go. We're gonna have to pull you from there. I'll pull you. All right, now we got to try to hook underneath that thing. We're hooked. Minimal mud damage. All right, you guys can get in. We're gonna go to the top.
Okay.
I'll just get in the rut, or we'll just mop up the rut.
This is impossible for us. Just like drive up.
Oh yeah, it's super bad. like a roller coaster ride.
Yeah.
The ones that you just fell into. Yep, nope. Yep, I'm cranked. I'll just straighten up. Go. Back to the gravel we are.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
No problem. Take your.
Oh, you should take this off. Is that as far as it'll turn?
Oh,
there you go.
it'll turn that much if you hold it.
Okay, you hold it. I'll get muddy.
There's water right now from the windshield wipers.
We got it.
Gucci. Sweet. There we go. Nice. Sweet.
You should be good from here.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Sorry for having you mission on holiday.
No big deal.
Yeah,
She's
thanks, appreciate it.
Yep.
no problem.
Happy holiday.
You
as
too.
well.
All right, that wasn't terrible, but it's definitely muddy out here. We're gonna let them go by us, and we'll chase them out of here and go home and have some Christmas dinner, I guess. I got muddy. Dang it, I wasn't gonna do that.